In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Garmin watch to Zwift. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Some specific Garmin watch models will connect directly to Zwift. So to start, all that you have to do is go over to Zwift itself and sign into your account. Make sure that you have a profile set up. You will be able to see your full name when you go in to log in as a user. So when you choose your name from any user accounts that you are using, you will be able to set up and pair the watch. So choose whichever option you prefer between riding and running. And now when you tap to pair, it is time to set up the watch. So tap the run button on your actual Garmin watch. In there, you will be able to see a bunch of options. You just have to keep going down until you find virtual run. Choose that option and once again, keep going down. Eventually, inside of the virtual run menu, you will be able to switch over to a screen where it is going to automatically pair itself up with Zwift. So as soon as you reach that screen, you will see text saying ready to pair, and if you give it a few seconds, it will be detected by Zwift. Now, if you look at the screen on the actual device, you will be able to select Garmin watch once it is properly paired up. If this doesn't happen automatically, it could indicate that your specific Garmin watch model is not compatible with that. So sadly, you will not be able to do this if your Garmin watch does not automatically connect. So all that you have to do is go over to Virtual Run, access the pairing window, and as long as you are signed into a user account on Zwift, you will be able to get this done. Now, all of your data, including your heart rate, will be broadcasted over wirelessly, and you can use this data to enhance your experience. So all that you have to do is go over to the pair window inside of Virtual Run on your Garmin watch, and it should automatically connect to Zwift once you sign into your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Garmin watch to Zwift. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.